What's up, you guys? How you guys doing? Guys, I am just so excited. I cannot keep this excitement to myself. Well, I've been meaning to give the living room wall an accent feature, but all the designs that I've been seeing are the regular crown molding, which is beautiful, but I just wanted something different. So I was searching the internet, and I came across Etsy, and I found different beautiful designs. And this girl and her team are so talented. So they have beautiful, I'm sure that's her work though, but all what I saw was so beautiful on her page. I don't remember the name of her company, but I believe her name is Leah. She's really popular, Lily Leah, something like that. So I'm sure most of you guys will know her. She and her team has a beautiful design. So let me show you what I plan to give this boring wall. That's over here. How gorgeous is this, guys? This is so beautiful. And you know, our ceiling is vaulted, so our wall is kind of slanted, which is even better. And look at some more of the designs. Look at this, so beautiful. Look, so beautiful. And I even plan to look at this. I even plan to give to do more of her designs in some part of the house. I'm so excited, and I can't wait to give you guys the final look of the transformation of this wall. So without further ado, no more delays, let's get to work. Okay, thank you.
In the turquoise
How are you doing, family? Trust all is well by God's grace. To my returning subscribers, y'all know you are the best. I appreciate you all so much for your continued support and love. And if you are new here, welcome and thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Elizabeth. You can call me Liz. And on this channel, we inspire, motivate, and elevate our space and give it that modern glam, luxe look for less. So if this sparks your interest, then you are in for a treat. So,
a cure for the air conditioning blues. Could do you some too.
Okay, now on the wall, I'm just measuring the wall to see how tall I want them.
A cure for the air conditioning blues.
And I went ahead and cut each with scissors into pieces. The longest was 7 inch, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 inches. That's how much I cut them, depending on the wall, you know. So, and once all were ready, I began applying them on the wall. And you know, this adhesive, the adhesive backing makes it so easy to just peel and stick, and then press. And I followed the pattern I laid out, adjusting where needed, you know, to get that perfect abstract look. Okay, so at this point, guys, I will leave you to enjoy the music while I continue with this process. Okay, and I'll come back and say something when need be. Thank you.
Let's take this show on the road. Ish, different day, I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, hop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job, those boss be working minors. Clock out at phone, do not disturb. disturb my boyfriends. Ooh, I need my girls. The world is ours, so run it up. Let's go to a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too little, slow down. No, me and who when they see me out, booked it 'cause I'm not waiting around for you. Let's have it go, Miami.
Okay, so after about 5 or 6 trims, this is how it's looking. It's looking really good. And we are getting somewhere. Okay, let's continue.
South Africa, Korea, Toronto, Paris, Nigeria, DC, trees, new beach, we be out on the coast. Swimsuit, 2-piece, catch me doing the most. Eating good in Perry, grab a glass, make a toast to life. Just living like it's my life. In these streets, music playing all night. Hawaii, I found my peace on a mountain zip line.
Okay, so on here I'm showing the cut gold, and I just eyeballed where I want to place them randomly. Okay, and sweeping the mess, and I will show you how everything turned out. Okay, family.
I'm very grown. If you with me, we not staying home tonight. Let's have it go.
And here it is, family. I'm loving it more with the gold trimmings. What do y'all think? So gorgeous. I absolutely love this. A big shout out to this company that inspired me. I really can't remember the name of the company, but I believe the designer's name is Lily. Yes, Lily. I absolutely love this design. So beautiful. The look that feels both modern and luxurious, but still totally budget friendly. So beautiful. Okay, so now let's unbox my beautiful bird of paradise plant. Okay.
Girls, the world is ours, so run it up. Let's go to a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too little, slow down. No, me and who when they see me out, booked it 'cause I'm not waiting around for you. Let's have it go, Miami, Chicago, New York, Houston, Atlanta, Tokyo.
how elegant it's looking against the feature wall, and the reflection in the mirror, ooh, takes it to another level. Just beautiful.
Nigeria, DC, Malaysia, let's epic go. 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 Take this show on the road. Let's take this show on the road. Ish, different day, I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away, hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job knows.
Okay, so to complement the accent wall, I'm just giving an idea more of a decorative setup to give the space that designer inspired feel for now, just to elevate the space around the feature wall. But that's not gonna be the permanent seating arrangement, because I just don't want the place to look bare. So let's dress the area with some simple floral arrangement, candle lamp with candle and some coasters, just to enhance the coziness and the warmth. Okay, all right.
Tokyo, Brazil, London, South Africa, Korea, Toronto, Paris, Nigeria, DC, Malaysia, trees, new beach, we be out on the coast. Swimsuit, two-piece, catch me doing the most. Eating good in Perry, grab a glass, make a toast to life. Just living like it's my life. In these streets, music playing all night. Hawaii, I found my peace on a mountain zip line. Australia stole my heart, and the natives are fine as hell. Oh well, let's spend it all tonight in a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too late to slow down.
And that brings us to the finished look, family. A bold, modern, and elevated living room transformation with only peel and stick mold trims. This feature wall adds so much depth and character to the space. What do you guys think? And styling it with the black and gold accent chairs brought in that luxurious contrast that I love. I hope this budget-friendly project inspires you to reimagine a corner at your home, guys, and don't be afraid to be bold and make your space to be truly yours. So if you enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more dazzling decor ideas if you are not already. Share to friends and families, and comment, guys, please comment. Okay, and until next time, stay inspired and keep creating beauty. And always remember, guys, that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you all always, and bye-bye.